Hello, Ma'am Cohen. Ma'am Cohen. Ma'am Cohen. Anong purpose ba ng ating benchmarking?
Ano?
Anong purpose na ating benchmarking?
Ang purpose na ating benchmarking
Yes.
para makita kung ano yung mga best practices nila rito na pwede natin i-adopt sa division ng Nueva Ecija.
Mabalita ako kayo daw yung organizer ng ating benchmarking. Totoo ba yun?
Hindi naman balita mo lang yun. Sila yun.
Sila. Talaga? First time mo dito sana. First time mo.
Yes, it's my first time here and welcome to Fort Bonifacio High School.
Ayun eh.
Yeah, later we will see those beautiful places here in their school. And of course, their students are there still working and doing their performance tasks. Nadaanan namin kanina.
Talaga. Pero na-excite ka naman.
Ha?
Na-excite ka naman sa ating gagawin sa mag-apply. Na-excite ka naman. Hindi? Bakit? Sige guys.